Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Oohhee AA AAA battery charger, and I think you should charge other types of batteries as well. Let's see if they say. They don't say. Overcharge protection, over current protection, over voltage protection, overheat protection, over circuit protection. So yeah, I guess it's just AAA and AA. That's the cable that it comes with. It's USB-C, which is nice to see. And I think this is the 12, so it will allow you to charge 12 batteries in there. Let me just quickly read and see if we can charge any other types of. Okay guys, so we have these batteries in here, 2800 milliampere, 1.2 volts, and it's AA Ni MH. So let's just connect randomly a few. So if you wanna connect smaller, like the AAA, you have to use that one in there, that space. So just put randomly a few in different locations, and we'll give it a test. I just plug in a USB-C charger, and let's see if it works. Okay, maybe my charger is not good, so I just use this charger they gave us. It could be that this plugged in a 25 watts, so let's just use lower voltage. Okay, so as you can see, it says charging, so there's no error about these batteries, and it's charging. I really like the LED display, the LCD display. It's quite easy to see, and let's see if it has any color indications. So as you can see, that's the battery capacity when it's charging, but I think it doesn't have different colors, but it will come as error if it's a bad battery. Thank you for watching, guys.